Alright guys, this is another abomination apart here. We see here the Monte Carlo light cast with the Ahola blade on it. Yeah, like the way it looks. Got up light as you can see. I took the light kit off. And I might wanna put it on a different fan. Yeah, you can see here the light kit part here, that's not it, but this is the original light kit that came off of the fan. Yeah. That's not the remote globe. I put that one on there. That one was done. That that was original to the fan. So, yeah. Now there's no light kit. Take it to low. Yeah, I really like the way this looks. Looks pretty good. With the blades on it. And I think this one is done for it. Blowing a little bit of air. Low. Unfortunately, I will not be able to do reverse because I don't know how to reverse the remote control fans. Unless if there's a reverse switch on top of the motor like those two FMB and the third down there. Check feel a little bit. Do medium. Yeah, I like this a lot. This is gonna be installed somewhere in the house. Gonna be on the back of our court entrance on the other side of the doorway. Here's high. And that's in very flash on how the blaze. Not to spin down. But this is a remote I paired with it. Even though this is a Monte Carlo fan, this is the only remote I had. Yeah. Yeah, I like the way it looks. Looks pretty good. With the blaze on it. And maybe I could put the light kit on maybe I don't know. Maybe they brash designer. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching.